Hey guys, it's Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have my TCL TV and I'll be showing you how to address or fix a issue on your TCL TV. And it doesn't matter which TCL it is, whether it's running Google TV or Roku or whatever. Alright, so if you're having the issue where your TV screen suddenly went black or blank and you're still hearing sounds coming from it, indicating it's still working, this is what you actually do to fix the problem. All right, so right away you're going to go ahead and unplug your TV from the power outlet. All right, so here we are. Go ahead and unplug it. You're gonna next, once you're at the TV, you're gonna find the logo. Beneath the logo you should find a button. It's gonna feel like the rest of the TV is smooth. The button itself is textured, so once you find it, it's dead center right on the logo. You're gonna press this button while the TV is unplugged. Now what you're doing is you're draining the residual energy from the TV. You're gonna do this for like 60 seconds or so. So go ahead and press. You can count 1 to 60. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get the idea. You're gonna keep holding for roughly 60 seconds. Let go. Put the TV back in to its outlet, preferably directly to the wall. Here guys, you can use the remote and you can power on. Before, you weren't allowed to use the remote as it must directly be done from a TV. But once you have done the power cycle, you can actually switch to the TV, all right? So the TV should come on. If yours didn't come on, repeat the process. It might take even up to 10 tries or more. And of course, it should start the TV up. The TV should start working again. So give it time to boot up. All right, and that should fix the problem in most cases. Another solution would be to unplug the TV and leave it unplugged overnight. But it's not necessary. The fastest method is to actually drain it by holding down the power button. All right, so as you can see, it's working quite fine. And that's it for the TCL TV that suddenly goes black or blank. That's how we normally go about fixing them. Hope that was useful. See you next one. Bye.